We have given fractional equation. First, let me copy our example. We have 5 plus x over 15 minus 23 over 3 is equal 4x over 5. First, to get rid of these fractions, we have to multiply both sides of our equation by the lowest common denominator. We have 15, 3 and 5, so it will be 15. All left side we have to multiply by 15 because we have fractions, so I will write 15 over 1, and the right side we have times 15 over 1. On the right side we can reduce 5 with 15, will be 3 and 1, because 15 divided by 5 is 3. And now we have to multiply every expression on the left side in parentheses by 15 over 1. So it will be 15 over 1 times, in parentheses we will put 5 plus x over 15 minus 15 over 1 times 23 over 3. On the right side we have 4x times 3 will be 12x over 1 is still 12x. So now on the left side we can reduce 15 and 15 will be 1, and 15 with 3 will be 5. So now we have to do multiplication of fractions, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 1 times 5 plus x is 5 plus x over 1 is still 5 plus x. Now we don't have to write parentheses, and we have minus 5 times 23 is 115 over 1 is 115 is equal 12x. Next I will move x to the right side and the numbers I will left on the left side. So we will have 5 minus negative 15 is negative 110. This is equal 12x minus x. Because positive we move to the other side, so we need to change the sign. So we have negative 110 is equal 11x. So now we will divide both sides by 11 to find x. So we can reduce. So we have x is equal 110 divided by 11 is 10, and we have negative sign, so we have negative 10 is equal x. We can change the sides, so it will be x is equal negative 10. Next we have to check if this is solution for our equation. How we do this? First we have to copy our original equations. We have 5 plus x over 15 minus 23 over 3 is equal 4x over 5. Next we have to substitute x's by negative 10. So we have 5 plus negative 10 over 15 minus 23 over 3 is equal 4 times negative 10, I have to check, over 5. So 5 plus negative 10 is negative 5 over 15. We have minus 23 over 3, and we have to check if this is equal. 4 times negative 10 is, first we can reduce because we have multiplication, so 5 with 10 will be 2 and 1. So we have 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 over 1 is negative 8. We have 5 and 15, so we can reduce. 5 with 15 will be 3 and 1. So we have 1, negative 1 third minus 23 over 3 to check if this is equal negative 8. The same denominator, so we copy the denominator, and we have negative and negative, so we have to write negative sign, and 1 plus 23 is 24. So we have to check if this is equal negative 8. 24 divided by 3 is 8, and negative and positive give me negative 8. This is equal negative 8. Left side is equal to the right side. It means x equals negative 10 is solution for our fractional equation.